Hello there, everyone. Today the Bookworms are going to be reading Dora the Explorer, The Windy Day. Let's get into the book. It's such a windy day. I think I hear tree limbs knocking on the window. Oh, maybe it is a knock at the door. No one is here, but look, someone wrote me a note. It's from Boots. The note said to meet Boots at Play Park. I need to wrap up before I go. Abuela knit me this scarf to knot around my neck. It's Isa. Boots wrote her a note too. But something is wrong. Isa only has one mitten. Oh no! The wind blew Isa's other mitten up on a tree limb. Let's call Tico to help get it down. He is really good at climbing trees. Hooray! Tico got Isa's mitten, and Boots wrote him a note too. Let's all go to Play Park together. We made it to Play Park. There is Boots, and look what he has, 4 kites. What a perfect day to fly kites. Hooray! The end. That's it for today, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed. For more read-alongs like these, don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoyed the book, give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!